Hey, this is Vicki, all the way from Dallas, Texas. And I kind of just want to jump on real quick and give a quick testimony on my journey with learning how to trade Forex and become a master trader. I started trading some time back, and I joined Dr. Kathy's cloud training, and I was so grateful to know that she had faith in me enough to introduce me to Coach Phillip, who is an awesome trainer. I just want to thank Coach Phillip for teaching his strategy, and I got an aha moment with a 1-2-3 strategy, which is actually like a kindergarten strategy. Yes, kindergarten especially for me. So I just wanted to thank Dr. Kathy and Coach Phillip because I now can become a master trader, and I'm so grateful because if I can do it, anybody can. Coach Phillip is teaching the over 50 group, and I'm so excited to be able to be a part of that group and learning to become a master trader. Thank you again, Coach Phillip and Dr. Kathy.